In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to create better LinkedIn outreach messages for your business. The goal here is to make your outreach more targeted, more personal, and much more effective without sounding robotic or generic. ChatGPT can help you organize your thinking, define the right audience, and write message drafts faster. But the key is using it strategically. Start by opening ChatGPT and clearly describing your business, your offer, and the target market you want to reach. The more specific you are at this stage, the better the results will be later. Explain what you sell, who it helps, and what kind of outcome you provide. This gives ChatGPT the context it needs to support your outreach in a practical way. Next, ask ChatGPT to define your ideal customer profile. This is important because strong outreach starts with clarity. If you are too broad, your messaging will feel vague. A clear customer profile helps you focus on the right people instead of trying to reach everyone. After that, list the target industry, the job titles you want to contact, the company size you want to work with, and the location you want to focus on. These details help narrow the audience even further. This step makes your outreach more relevant, and it also helps ChatGPT generate messaging that feels aligned with the person reading it. Once that audience is defined, ask ChatGPT to identify the common pain points for that group. This is where your messages start becoming useful instead of promotional. When you understand what your audience is dealing with, you can write outreach that speaks to their real challenges in a natural way. Then use ChatGPT to create personalized LinkedIn message templates. You are not looking for one perfect message. You want a starting point that you can adapt. Ask for different versions, including a connection request, a follow-up message, and a soft pitch. Each type of message serves a different purpose, so having multiple versions gives you flexibility throughout the conversation. Before sending anything, customize each message so it does not sound generic. This part matters a lot. Add relevant details based on the person's role, company, or recent activity. Even a strong AI-generated draft still needs a human touch to feel authentic. Finally, track replies and use ChatGPT to improve your outreach based on what works. Pay attention to which messages get responses and which ones get ignored. Then bring that feedback back into ChatGPT so it can help you refine your messaging over time. If you use this process consistently, your LinkedIn outreach can become more focused, more personal, and far more effective.